Okay, I'm making a video on my paintball toolbox. Got some sleek here, some tools, some extra screws, cutters, wrenches, squeegees in here. Keep all my squeegees in here. A bunch of extra barrel bags and crap like that. Allen keys, standard and metric, O-ring pick, knife, lock to lock up my paintball box. So now there's a little thieves steal all my crap. More Allen keys. Gotta keep the Walmart lens cleaner in here. Some good stuff right there. Just like a rubber squeegee, so I don't get my regular squeegees all oily and dirty. Then I have down here, got some batteries, some more O-rings in there. Got O-rings, Clips oil, more Allen keys, more extra screws. Got my O-ring kit here. All the O-rings to rebuild my gun. Yeah. Put some lens cleaner. Got my Ego manual, paper towels, more Q-tips, some manuals, crap like that, some rags. Everything I need to walk on my gun out the field. That's it.